All right, good morning po to all our listeners and viewers. Once again, we are back here in our OFW Pag-ibig program so that we can give you all the updates tungkol po sa ating programs and services, of course, to our OFW members. By the way, I am Miss Nova from the Pag-ibig International Operations Group, and with me is...
I'm RD Marcelino. Natutuwa po kami ngayong umaga dahil napagbigyan po ulit kami ng pagkakataon na ibahagi sa inyo ang mga programa at benepisyo ng bawat miyembro ng Pag-ibig Fund. Di ba, partner?
Yes, partner.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, today is Wednesday, October 8, 2014. Okay, so RD, saan ba tayo magsisimula? I think it has to be on our very exciting OFW member Dagdag Ipon raffle promo.
Okay, yes. So, actually, nais namin ipabatid sa lahat ng mga OFW members na meron po tayong ongoing raffle promo, which is part 2 na to, partner. So, para makasali, so kailangan, una, Pag-ibig member tayo.
Of
Tama.
course.
Okay? Then, pangalawa, naguhulog tayo ng upgraded contribution in amount of 600 pesos as a minimum requirement para sa raffle. So, kasi per, bawat raffle, bawat 600 pesos, may katumbas tong 1 raffle entry. So, yun.
At kung new registrants ka, di ba, meron pang isang bonus na raffle entry. Ayan. So, may mga bonuses na raffle entries din po. Depende po doon sa kung gaano kalaki yung ibibigay ninyo. So, like for example, you will be remitting 3,000 pesos. So, ilan RD yung bonus entry natin doon?
So, yung 3,000 pesos, just divided into 600. So, meron kayong 5 raffle entries plus 1 bonus raffle entry kasi naghulog kayo ng 3,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, per every 3,000 pesos remittance, merong 1 bonus raffle entry.
Okay. So, partner RD, paano ba mag-register dito?
So, of course, madali lang naman. First, all you have to do is to visit our website, the official website at www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. Then, click the Filipinos Working Abroad. Then, on that icon, makikita niyo yung raffle promo, yung anong tawag dito? Yung
join the
banner,
raffle
yes.
promo.
Then, all you have to do is to click the banner, then, yun, magbasahin yung mga mechanics ng raffle, then, proceed to raffle registration na. So, una naman, ganito lang naman kasimple yun eh. Ita-type mo lang yung Pag-ibig ID number mo, yung membership ID number,
yes,
the POP temporary ID number, or the registration tracking number, then click proceed o verify. Then yun, makaka-register ka na.
Oo, tapos ilalagay mo dun kasi yung contact details mo yun, specifically yung email address, mobile phone number, yung region of assignment or country of assignment ninyo. So, succeeding payments nyo, once registered na kayo, mag-feed na po yun sa inyong email address kung ano ba yung inyong mga electronic raffle entry numbers. Ayan, partner, merong agad ditong nagtanong coming from Sampilak of KSA or Kingdom of Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
The question is, ma'am, binibili ba ticket raffle?
Oh.
Ayun. So, as we have said po, ito po ay electronic. So, hindi po ito traditional na halimbawa mag-fill out ka ng coupon tapos ihuhulog mo sa mga drop boxes. Ang registration po nito ay isang beses lang. Actually, hindi po binibili yung raffle
Raffle,
tickets. Wala
yes.
pong raffle tickets. Kasi po, magre-register nga po sa website, isang beses lang po. And of course, paano mag-register? Kasi ang objective po nitong raffle promo is to increase or at least na magkaroon po ng malaking ipon yung ating mga OFW members para mag-save o maghulog ng mas malaki for a minimum of 600 pesos.
Yes.
So pag nagbayad po kayo ng at least 600 pesos, you can join the raffle promo and the registration is only once. So as we have said earlier, pag nagbayad po kayo ng at least succeeding payments na ng at least 600 pesos, you don't have to register again. Kasi registered na po kayo. So, may marireceive na lang po kayo sa inyong email address ng
raffle
notification kung ano ba yung mga raffle entry numbers ninyo.
Of course, partner, yung email notification natin na sa katunayan ay successful silang nakaregister sa promo natin.
Yes. So pag nag-join po kayo, may marireceive naman po kayo na sasabihin, congratulations, you have already been registered to Pag-ibig OFW Dagdag Ipon raffle entry and other things are related to the raffle promo.
Yes.
Okay? Thank you. Ma'am or Sir Sampilak from Saudi Arabia.
Yes. So, ayun, partner, ang dami pa lang nanonood sa atin.
Okay.
Biruin mo, meron taga Saudi. So, again, ini-invite namin ng bawat OFW na nasa abroad ngayon na may time. So, just visit. Ano nga ba yung ano natin?
Visit our
yung blogspot natin.
Ano lang, sa ano na lang partner, sa website na lang natin.
Ng Kakampi. Oh, yun.
Okay, wala kasing nakalagay ditong ano. Saan ba? Okay, so we also have another question here from Lani Fileo. Okay, so it's she is a local member at ang question niya po ay, sa Tondo lang po ako, wala ba sa local? Lani Fileo. So I think she's asking also about a raffle promo
para sa mga local members.
Our local employees or members can join. So ano ba yun, partner? Yung pwede nilang mapagsalihan naman sa mga local members natin.
Actually, pagdating sa mga local, ito kasing promo natin ngayon is for OFW members. But of course, yung mga local branch natin, gumagawa rin sila ng mga programs para naman sa mga locally members. Actually, sa ngayon, merong raffle promo, meron ding
raffle promo also for our local members.
Ito
yung MPL at Manalo.
Yes, yun yung tawag. Mag-MPL at Manalo o kaya po just visit the website of Pag-ibig Fund kung paano kayo makakasali doon sa mag-MPL at Manalo ng program ng local branch natin. Yes,
actually meron ding isa ang objective din, kasi dalawa po yung raffle promo para sa mga local members. Actually, we can also join since we are also local members. Yung first po, mag-upgrade ka rin ng savings, parang katulad din dito sa OFW Dagdag Ipon. And then you will also have a chance to win. Ang first prize nila, I think, I'm not so sure, but I think as I have seen, it's 20,000 pesos.
Okay. Actually, meron din silang...
meron ding mga trip to local tourist spots here in the Philippines, like in, I think it's in Boracay also. And meron din po yung mag-MPL, ibig sabihin mag-multipurpose loan at Manalo. So pag nag-avail kayo ng multipurpose loan, well, multipurpose loan po, this is commonly known as cash or salary loan with our members, but officially the name with Pag-ibig Fund is multipurpose loan. So pag nag-avail ka ng MPL or multipurpose loan, you can join the raffle promo.
Okay. Tsaka nga pala, nitong nakadaang September, nagkaroon po kami ng first preliminary draw ng Dagdag Ipon Raffle Promo Part 2.
Partner, it's good if, Ma'am Lani, advise po namin kayo to check for the details of the raffle promo for our local members. You can check our website, www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. Okay, Ma'am Lani, thank you so much for asking.
So, yun.
Okay, so going back, partner, anong nangyari nung ating nakaraang preliminary draw?
So, merong sa mga OFW members natin, merong 10 lucky winners ng ating Dagdag Ipon Raffle Promo First Preliminary Raffle Draw. Alam mo, partner, yung 4 ang nanalo ng Samsung Galaxy Star Plus smartphones. Actually, ito yung mga pangalan. So, sasabihin namin kung kayo yung nanalo, you may send your email to us. Actually, na-notify na rin natin itong mga winners na to at nag-reply na rin sila sa amin on how to claim the prizes.
Wow.
So, we have
We start with the fourth
Yes.
prize. Ayan.
So, we
So,
have
who are our lucky winners first?
Mr. Maria Gina Francisco Arevalo from
Congratulations.
Saudi Arabia.
Mhm.
We have Alexander Briseño Corporal from China.
Yes.
Rolando
Alexander.
Tumakas Lumakang from Alcobar.
And the last winner of Samsung Galaxy Star is
Dennis Bautista Montemayor of Seafarer.
Yan, Seafarer naman. At least meron tayong nanalo ngayon na Seafarer
Yes.
coming from the sea-based sector of our OFWs.
So,
okay?
partner, meron ding nanalo para sa third prizes yung mga
Okay.
smart television. So, sino-sino
Yes.
ba sila, partner?
So, the lucky winners of our 32 inches LG 3D ito partner na smart television are the following. So, first we have Joel A. Milanes. He is an OFW from Qatar.
Okay.
We also have from Taiwan. Ayan, Asia Pacific naman. Pagwiligan, last name, Pagwiligan. The first name is Adonis, middle name Rojas. So, Adonis R. Pagwiligan. Our third winner is Jel Joshua Cruz Pangan.
So, from Qatar din to. So,
Qatar
kung
also.
makikita mo, partner, maraming nananalo sa part ng Middle East.
Yes, sila yung mga masisipag mag-remit or mag-save sa
Yes.
Pag-ibig Fund. And of course, the last winner of our 3D Smart Television is Mr. Dionisio R. Rapelo from Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia also.
So, syempre, for the second raffle prize, ito yung nanalo ng ating family vacation package na good for 4.
Good for 4
Yes.
persons. So, ibig sabihin, partner, pwede siyang magsama ng kanyang tatlong
Beneficiary,
kapamilya.
yes.
Okay.
So, in any destinations ito in the Philippines, so you can choose any of
So,
the tourist
this
destination.
time, any. So, wala
Yes.
na tayong katulad last
Yes,
time
of
kasi
course.
nung first raffle promo po natin, the winner of any vacation package shall choose whether in Boracay,
Bohol?
Palawan, or Bohol.
Yes.
But this time, the winner can choose kung saan
Any.
niya gustong pumunta.
Yes, any tourist
bakasyonan.
destination. Okay. So,
Sino to, partner?
ang nanalo ng ating family vacation package ay si Celeste Beato Trinidad from Dubai,
Wow!
UAE.
Congratulations, Ma'am Celeste. Ayan, uwi na po kayo para makapagbakasyon.
Okay.
Okay, so, and of course, who is our first prize? Ang first prize natin is a round-trip airline ticket. So, ibig sabihin, to and from the Philippines and vice versa. So, halimbawang nanalo siya from Middle East, libre siya ng pamasahe papunta sa Pilipinas, pabalik
Then pabalik, oo,
okay,
tama.
sino tong lucky winner natin?
So, yung nanalo ng ating round-trip airline ticket is from Canada.
Wow!
So,
swerte from
diba?
Canada. Kasi medyo malayo-layo
Yes.
partner.
At saka balita ko itong taga-Canadang to, malaki talaga maghulog eh. Kaya napakalaki ng tsansa niyang manalo. Ang pangalan ng ating lucky OFW member ay si Maria Teresa Martinez Alvarez.
Wow! Congratulations Ma'am Maria Teresa Alvarez.
Yes.
Napakaswerte niyo po. Okay? So that's why to our viewers po, listeners po natin, we are encouraging you to save with Pag-ibig Fund at the same time po, have a chance to win of all these prizes. And of course, our first grand prize sa ating pong grand draw is how much, RD? It's
So, meron tayong 10,000 US dollars.
US dollars.
Yes.
So, in peso, pag kinonvert mo siya, RD, mga magkano kaya siya?
So, siguro lalabas na ng mga 400
almost half million.
yes.
Okay. Wow,
So,
not bad,
ang
diba?
maganda pa nito, tax-free siya, partner. So,
Okay,
ibig
so
sabihin,
buo.
buo nyo
Buo siyang
makukuha.
makukuha.
Yes. So, anyway, para po dun sa mga OFW member natin na hindi lucky na nanalo sa ating first raffle draw,
You still have a chance to win because
yes. Kasi meron pa po tayong second at saka grand raffle draw. So, ibig sabihin, lahat po ng raffle entries na hindi nanalo sa first raffle draw ay may pagkakataon pa pong mabunot sa ating second and grand raffle draw.
kasi yung kanilang mga raffle entries ay
Valid siya.
pasok or
Yes.
kasama pa rin sa second and grand draw.
raffle draw, yes.
Wow!
Di ba?
So, hindi masama kasi at least meron ka pang chance,
Yes.
di ba? So wag po kayong malungkot doon sa mga sumali kasi kasama pa rin po ang inyong raffle entries or raffle entry number sa ating mga susunod na draw.
So of course, to get more chance of winning the raffle prizes, so we encourage everyone na mag-upgrade at magpatuloy po ng paghuhulog sa Pag-ibig Fund. Kasi in Pag-ibig Fund, we always giving our members the opportunity to save for the future and of course to maximize their provident and loan benefits.
Okay, so ano ba kasi partner yung mga benefits? Although paulit-ulit naman po nating dinidiscuss dito, but for the sake of those our viewers po na ngayon lang po nakapanood, ito po yung ilalatag natin kung ano ba yung maganda, ano ba yung benefits na pwede mong ma-avail as Pag-ibig members.
Okay.
Kasi usually partner, ang notion kasi pag naghulog ka sa isang government agency, parang mahirap nang mapakinabangan.
Yes.
'Di ba? Since we are right now faced with government issues and all, and Pag-ibig One is one of the government-owned and controlled corporation, we hindi natin maiiwasan that some of our members really are doubting baka mamaya yung pondo nila, yung inihuhulog nila, hindi naman mapakinabangan.
Yes.
Diba?
So
ano yung mga pwede nating assurance na maibigay sa ating mga members na yung mga remittance nila and savings nila ay hindi po nawawala and well-handled po siya ng Pag-ibig Fund at saan po siya napupunta. So ito po yung inyong mga benefits. So ano yung pwede nilang makuha partner sa Pag-ibig Fund?
So, yung unang benepisyo ng isang Pag-ibig Fund member ay Provident Savings. From the word savings, so, ibig sabihin investment siya na lahat ng contribution, ng ipon nyo sa Pag-ibig Fund mula nung nagtrabaho kayo local at ngayon ay OFW, lahat po yan ay counted. Lahat po yan ay kumikita ng dividends with a minimum of 4% per annum. So, partner, napakataas talaga nito. Then, ang
actually, we are at least 16 times higher than what other banking institutions are offering in their peso savings account.
Yes. Then, partner, ang maganda pa nito, good news, kasi tax-free to. So, ibig sabihin yung dividend earnings nito, hindi siya taxable. Buo nyo po siyang makukuha once na mag-matured yung membership nyo sa Pag-ibig Fund.
Okay, tama yun, tama. So, aklaruhin lang natin partner, kasi isa po kasi yun sa mandate ng Pag-ibig Fund. Savings din. Kasi usually, pag sinabi pong pag-ibig, ang pumapasok agad sa mindset ng ating mga members, tungkol lang siya sa pabahay.
Yes.
Paano kung may bahay ka na? Or kung sakaling hindi mo pa kayang mag-avail ng housing loan. So, ano ang pakinabang ng Pag-ibig Fund? So, ito nga yung pangalawang mandate, savings program.
Yes.
So, by the way po, 2 years ago, Pag-ibig Fund has opted to change the word contributions to savings.
Yes.
Kasi dati ang tawag natin contributions.
Pag-ibig contributions.
Pero pinalitan natin, ginawang savings. Bakit? Kasi savings itself, the term savings captures more the essence of the product.
Yes.
Pag contribution kasi, parang pag naguhulog ka sa Pag-ibig Fund at ginamit mo ang term na contribution, parang wala nang babalik sa'yo.
Yes.
So halimbawang ikaw ay, sa isang educational institution, tayo ay estudyante, tapos sasabihin ng teacher, o mag-contribute ka, pambili ng floor wax or for any school project. So, hindi naman babalik sa iyo yun, di ba? So, parang ganon. So, pag contribution, hinulog mo sa Pag-ibig Fund, ang papasok agad sa isip mo, nag-contribute ka, hindi na babalik sa iyo. But actually, no. Every single penny or centavo na ihuhulog mo sa Pag-ibig Fund, mawi-withdraw mo lahat.
Yes. So,
makiklaim mo lahat pag nag-mature ang membership, kaya mas magandang tawagin siya na savings.
So, from the word savings kasi ibig sabihin may return of investment ka.
Correct.
So, yun. It's from the word return of investment. So, automatic, maganda na siyang programa para sa mga membro.
Dahil kumikita nga siya ng
dividends.
So, bali, yung dividend earning, ito po yung official term sa Pag-ibig Fund. With the banks, it's what you call interest.
Interest,
Oo.
yes.
Yung interest na kinikita ng pera mo. So, usually po sa bangko, pag mga peso savings account, wag tayong mag-mention ng pangalan, but I think ang range ng interest sa mga bangko is 0.25% pag peso savings account. Or in other words, less than 1%.
Actually,
Pag-ibig Fund, ilan ang ating binibigay na annual dividend earnings?
So, the minimum percentage of annual dividends ng Pag-ibig Fund is 4% per annum.
4% per annum, at it can go
Higher.
high.
Yes.
Tama. So like last year, magkano? Last year, it's 4.08%. So, almost 4.1%.
Yes.
So, just imagine, tax-free pa po ito, yung dividend earnings. Kasi sa bangko partner, meron silang, I think, 20% withholding tax.
Yes,
So,
that's
yung
true.
kinikita mo na less than 1% sa bangko, mababawasan pa ng
Panong withholding.
20%
Yes.
withholding tax. So, just imagine, partner, di ba? So, if you're really gonna be wise, makikita mo agad kung saan maganda mag-save. Okay? So, by the way, we have a question here coming from Donna Mariano. Okay? So, ang kanyang tanong po ay, good morning po. Itatanong ko lang po sana kung hanggang kailan po ba pwede sumali sa raffle draw.
Okay.
I'm Donalyn Mariano. Ayan. So, partner, hanggang kailan ba pwedeng sumali?
Actually, ang raffle promo natin para sa mga OFW member, ang duration period nito is from July 1 hanggang December 31, 2014. So, lahat po ng mga OFW members na hindi pa nakaka-join, pwede pa kayong sumali at manalo ng grand raffle draw prize natin at $10,000 US.
Okay.
So, just all you have to do is just visit our official website, the www.pagibigfund.gov.ph, then click the Filipinos Working Abroad icon. So, all the mechanics of raffle promo o Pag-ibig Fund are already indicated sa website natin.
Okay. So, Ma'am Donna, pwede pa po kayong sumali hanggang December 31 this year po. Okay, so mahaba-haba pa po yung panahon. So kung gusto nyo pong mas magkaroon ng malaking chance to win, magsimula na po kayo ngayong araw. Mag-save
Yes.
na po kayo ng at least 600
600 pesos.
partner. Okay, thank you Ma'am Donna for that question and for taking the time para po masubaybayan itong ating programa. By the way, partners, yung mga hindi pa nakakapag-log on, saan sila dapat pumunta? Para
mapanood
Oo,
tayo o makapakinig. So, you may visit the blogspot of Kakampi. It is www.ustream.tv/channel/Kakampi online. Pwede rin kayong bumisita sa kakampi-news.blogspot.com or kakampi.wix.com/kakampi.
Or also, you may call us at telephone numbers 553-8656 or 788-3607.
So, if you have more inquiries about Pag-ibig programs and benefits, so you may call us again at 553-8656 or 788-3607.
Right, partner. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa ating pinag-uusapan, yung ano ba yung programa na pwedeng ibigay benepisyo ng lahat ng ating mga miyembro.
Okay.
So una, na-discuss na natin yung tungkol sa ating ipon. Pag-ibig is about savings or ipon.
Yes. So, of course, bilang ipon nyo sa Pag-ibig Fund, hindi lang naman po ito yung benepisyong maaari nyo makuha. We have also the so-called loan programs para sa mga Pag-ibig member natin. So, we have the so-called multi-purpose loan program.
Okay, so I think, partner, it's good if we will mention first the question kasi
Ay, okay.
it's very related to your next topic, Congrats sa Pag-ibig. Wow, thank you so much po, Ma'am Maria.
Thank you.
Okay. So the question is, ano po ang iba pang services ninyo sa Pag-ibig from Maria Otis? Ayan.
Okay.
So, Ma'am Maria, ito na po yung i-discuss natin. Aside from ipon, we also have our lending programs o yung mga pautang.
Yes.
Okay, ano nga ito, partner? Mga
So,
pautang natin?
meron tayong tinatawag na Multi-Purpose Loan Program or the MPL Loan Program. So, partner, paano ba makapag-avail ng nasabing programa? So, actually, madali lang naman. All we require to our members is to have at least 24 months contribution prior to loan application, and of course, you are an active Pag-ibig Fund member for the last 6 months.
Correct.
Okay?
Oo.
So, yun. So, yung loan entitlement nyo para sa multi-purpose loan program will vary kung magkano yung total nating pondo sa Pag-ibig Fund. So, usually, 60 to 80% of your total savings you can avail in this kind of program. For example,
Correct.
partner, you have 20,000 pesos sa Pag-ibig Fund. So, the maximum amount that you can avail to
80% of 20,000, so that is, partner, medyo mahina ako sa mate. Magkano kaya yun?
So, I think pwede kayong makapag-utang ng 16,000 pesos.
16,000 pesos.
Yes.
Not bad, di ba?
Oo.
So, ibig sabihin, kung maliit ang total savings mo, naturally, maliit
Maliit lang
din ang
din,
malulun
yes.
mo. Pero, ito ang maganda, kung malaki na ang savings mo, mas malaki din ang mauutang mo.
Yes.
So, kung 100,000, maximum of 80,000